Welcome! Today we will be discussing how to create a learning environment for students. Let's begin first by identifying an area for learning. It could be a desk at the corner of a bedroom or any room. Keeping in mind that this area needs to be clean with no interruptions so that students can concentrate. Having a designated area lets students know that it's time to concentrate on schoolwork. We also understand that not all of us may have extra space for a desk. An idea is to use a dining room table. If that's not available, then we can use foldable TV trays with foldable chairs. We also encourage, just like in the classroom, for families to have a designated space to store materials so that students know where to find them. Because distance learning requires students to stay at home, it is necessary to schedule breaks because students need time away from the screen. Our homes have become classrooms. We need to give ourselves the permission to put things up and get creative. This example shows the door of a closet being used to post a schedule of activities. It is important to maintain daily routines, as they are a huge component of the school environment. What routines do you have at home? In addition to creating a physical space for learning, we need to also create a space for asking questions and for reflection. You can ask your child the following questions. What were you working on today? Can you show me how to solve that problem? Is there another way? How do you know it's correct? What was the easiest thing today? And what was the most challenging? Because we want to be supportive and aware of what learning is taking place, we also ask the teacher questions. What will students be learning this week? How can I include or integrate these skills into the daily activities we are already doing at home? What specific skills does my child need more support with? What types of support will my child receive? How can I support what my child is learning? One of the first things that teachers establish in the beginning of the school year are rules, so that students know what is the expected behavior. At home, there should also be rules on how to behave with one another. What are some of the rules that you have? Always remember that you are the parent, and children will test boundaries. Make sure you stand firm on rules and routines. When possible, incorporate the skills students are learning in activities and routines you already have established at home. As an example, when cooking, you can talk about sequencing the steps, measurements, fractions. Hopefully you found these tips helpful. Thank you for tuning in. Until next time.